Do you want free Xbox games, gift cards, and cool stuff without spending money? Then you need to know how to use Xbox points. Lots of kids have Xbox points, but they don't know what to do with them. So don't let your points go to waste. So today I'm going to show you how to use them the smart way. All right? So first you're going to go to the Microsoft Rewards app on your Xbox. If you don't see it, you can download it for free. This is where your Xbox points live. Next, you're going to click on Redeem. This is where the fun starts. Now you can get gift cards for Xbox, Roblox, and more. Just pick what you want and hit confirm. Third, you're going to check out quests. These are fun little games or tasks that give you more points. Finish quests each week to grow your points fast. Now the fourth thing is use your points to enter sweepstakes. You could win an Xbox controller or even a new game. All right? So the last thing now, try Game Pass quests. So if you already have Xbox Game Pass, you can earn points just by playing games, all right? So now you're ready to basically turn points into prizes. Like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.